Pretty cool. We're going to have a monitor. I might even have two monitors on this stand, one on the back and this one right here. This is plugged right into the camera. This how about if I turn around? It's plugged right into the camera, and I'm kind of trying to do more than one camera at a time type of stuff. It give you two different views a lot of times. It's really helpful. And so if I maybe put, I might even put another monitor on the other side, so I can have both cameras plugged in and I can see what's going on. This is a fantastic way to frame your shots and everything. And I got this idea actually from Mr. Pete. So I've been using it, and it really helps a lot. I could see if it's in focus. I could see if things are in the frame. So much better. It's just, instead of having to look at the camera and everything, it's just a pain in the ass, so to speak. So yeah, this is going to work out just great. But so this is on this rod, and I can raise it up, down. It will be the drill press will go back in here, and turn it around anywhere, and I can see it from anywhere I'm really working in the shop, just about. Yeah, I'm gonna really like this. I might have to wedge this a little bit at an angle, it looks like. Let's put the drill press back in and get things picked up. Here we go, the drill press is back in, monitor's mounted. No, Merry Christmas, but Happy New Year now for everybody. I'll be doing more drill grinder mods, or fixtures, I should say, after the first of the year. And I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of it all. It came out really good and really works well. I've sharpened every drill in the shop now. And that's, you know, big thanks to Tom Eason in Tennessee. Thank you, Tom, for donating the grinder to the shop. Really appreciate it. I look forward to fishing with Tom this summer and his son. They're going to come out to Oregon and fish with me. Hopefully we'll have a really good time and catch a lot of nice fish. And you know, thanks to Bill and Glenn, who helped supply some other fixed parts of Bill with some of the parts and documentation, and then Glenn also documentation and helping with drawings and such, and then Pierre up in Canada, who also took some measurements for me. So Hank, thanks everybody. And there are several other viewers who donated that come and look at their machines, or they'll take measurements and things like that, but I already had everything. But a thank you for everybody out there in the community who helped with the drill grinder. It was a really fun project. And like I said, I'm going to do some more. I'm going to make that thing top of the line Derex M5 type of thing. I just need a micro. I need the micro drill, or the micro drill holder or chuck. I don't have that, but I plan on making at least a drill setter for now and for it and stuff. But I'm going to do the large drill setup for it. I have all the dimensions and I've modeled everything, so we'll get on with that. So thank you guys, and I'm going to be really close here about getting 17,000 subscribers for the year I'm up to, so that's amazing. I never thought I'd get this far at all, but you know, it's just the way it goes, I guess. But I'm just amazed. I want to thank all the subscribers who've been sticking with me, and I know I had some lean times there, and you know, this life gets in the way, and you gotta take care of family and do things for them. So it's just a little tough, but I'm doing a lot more in the shop now, and I'm back home most of the time. So I've got some good projects I think planned, so we'll get them done. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next year.